All the lights of London are far behind. My thoughts of homeland are crowding my mind. Familiar places come into view. I see my home now. Soon I'll see you. We talk to the old folks. How they getting on? Freedom to lay down and sing a few songs. We talk of the neighbors and life in the town. There's so much to tell on the day that I go. This is my homeland, the place I was born in. No matter where I roam, it's in my soul. My feet may wander 1,000 places. My heart it will lead me back home to my gonna go. And then tomorrow we'll take a walk down by St. Mary. That shelter spot. I kneel and pray there for the ones that have gone, and hope that they're bright.